For some reason, when I look at it this morning, it gives me a memory of like Batman Returns and like Christopher Walken or something. I don't know. It's still very. It's like if Jimmy Neutron was more of like a mad scientist or like a really unkept Meet the Robinsons. What is this? Also, just to reiterate, I don't do anything to facilitate this except sleep on my back. So, I guess we're in our mad scientist phase, huh? uh, I guess I could have looked up a reference before turning the camera on, but what was Christopher Lloyd's hair in Back to the Future? I don't really remember. I don't think it was this directional. I think it was more out. Okay, and just before we jump into more digital dealings, the last thought that I had about this was I wonder what all of this looks like if I trim this back. I might do that sometime this week. Maybe it might look less mad scientisty. All right. Here we are in business world, complete with business competitor.tm. We are here today because the events that were planned yesterday, they progressed a lot faster than I thought they were. And this is the reason why information is important. They progressed so fast, in fact, that they didn't include me at all. So that's good in the sense that that's kind of the reason why we're here. Today is July 3rd. And tomorrow is July 4th, aka Independence Day, aka American Fireworks Day, aka Animal Distress Day. And because of the nature of July 4th, recording is a nightmare, or at least anything that has to do with audio has to compete with gunpowder, which doesn't work out very well. So, the plan for today is to step back. Here it goes. Okay. Is to step back and actually focus on some 3D printing stuff, so cleaning out the machine, doing a test print, and redoing the spool filament, but also is to find another world to sort of showcase for tomorrow. So basically a pre-recording so that I don't have to compete with any early fireworks enjoyers tomorrow. That's pretty much the video for today. I don't want to record the process of the 3D printing section. I don't feel that recording the process of cleaning out the 3D printer and all that shenanigans over there is really worth recording because it's not all that interesting. Now, when I re-attempt the mask, that might be a recording, but I'm going to attempt that after I do my tests and I fix my filament spool holder. So beyond that, though, the only thing left to do today is to find another world, and I will see you there.